how to use the application here like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video and stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy layout, and it's pretty much a AI based application. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is just select what you want and upload a couple of photos, clean photos, and you pretty much will get any one of these results. So let's scroll. You can pretty much scroll for what you want. Also, in the advanced section here, you have different AI features which you can use as well. You have the retake option, you have the de-scratch, colorize. Pretty much all you have to do is just select on one you want. So let's say, for example, the enhanced version here. You pretty much have to select a photo that you'd like to enhance, and it will pretty much do the work for you. So all that you just tap on the plus icon here, you're pretty much good to go. So very easy app to use, guys. So you have AI photo option as well. Nothing much for this, and as you can see here, quite a lot of AI which you can edit as well. All you have to do is just select whichever one you would like to use. Let's say, for example, you want similar results to this. Upload a photo. I'm going to try one of their demo. For example, this one here, and I will upload the image, and it will pretty much give me a generate option. So if you want to upload any of these, you pretty much will need a subscription. So if you don't have any subscription, some of these you're gonna need subscription, guys. So over here you have the AI now option, and as well, all you have to do is just upload a couple of photos, and it will pretty much generate anything that you need. For example, this one here is 45. You may need to upload 2 different persons, as you can see here, to get these results. So just tap on the option here. First option is photo of the person, and next one is photo of the next person. So this one, option 1 and option 2. So all you have to do is tap on option 1, upload an image, tap on option 2, upload an image, or you just take anyone from the gallery or album section here. Very easy. So at the top here, may see free trial. This is pretty much where you go to get your subscription. As you can see here, the pro subscription and what it pretty much offers. And here you have the pro lifetime, or let's say lifetime subscription, and what to be getting, and pretty much the price for the lifetime subscription. So very easy application to use, and I like that it doesn't have much ads. Like some apps will have a lot of ads, which will make application very hard to use. So it's very easy application to use. All you have to do is upload a couple photos, and you do get any one of these results. Make sure when you're uploading these photos, they're very clean, so the AI can give you best results. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, comment below. See you in the next one.